Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this more tab. So you need to tap on more and then you will be landed on this services page. Now over here, you need to tap on the option of buy crypto and then you will be landed on this buy section. So over here, you will have to first select your cryptocurrency, which in our case is Bitcoin. So in order to select it, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and then in the search bar you will have to search for BTC and then you need to select BTC over here. After that, you will have to enter the amount in your currency that you want to spend in order to purchase the Bitcoin, and it will show you how much Bitcoin you will receive for the amount that you have selected. Once done, you will have to press the next button in the bottom and then you will be redirected on the payment page. Now over here, you will be given a bunch of different payment methods and it may vary according to your country. So you just have to select any of the payment methods as per your convenience, and then you need to tap on this buy button in the bottom. If you have selected any credit or debit card, then you will be redirected on the next page of credit or debit card, where you need to provide your details. First of all, you will have to provide the email address with the help of which you are registered on Bybit. Then your first name, your last name, your card number, its expiration date, CVV or CVC, and then you just have to check the box of I understand and then press continue. On the next page, you just have to confirm your payment, and this way you will be able to easily buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.